fun. These tractor drivers work well together. They take care of one another as well. If somebody happens to get knocked over, you'll see them come out today. Drivers, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes. Looks like I got 0-1 out there starting to get a flat tire. We'll see. You get 96 Golden Bill. Triple green, Mikey Gray, Junior, William Stuewer, 201, Izzy Craig, 46, Allie Craig, 1, Lily Robertson, I hope that's right, and 4411, Justin Craig.
You're gonna scratch my paintjob.
For you. Garden tractors are a part of all of our events with the exception of the Racine County Fair and the Walworth County Fair. Other than that, you'll see them at all of our events. 5th place goes to 26, Allie Craig. 5th place. That's one of the young ladies out there. Again, girls, you can go out and have a good time, mom or daughter. 4th place, 01, Izzy Craig from Elkhorn.
Replayed.
3rd place goes to number 1, Lily Robertson from Brandon. 2nd place goes to William Stuewer Jr. from Teresa. And your 1st place winner is Justin Gregg in 4411 from Elkhorn.